What up? It is the outdoor edition of the question of the day. What opportunities are you actively looking for, or you want to actively look for? So let's talk about this. So think of some things that you want to happen in your life. Like, what's going on? What do you want to happen? What opportunities do you want to make? Comment below and come be part of this judgment-free conversation, because this channel and these questions are all about sharing ideas. It's all about supporting one another. Let's unite, not untie. So, and in turn, I always answer these questions. And you know what? Right now, I don't know what opportunities I'm looking for. I'm always looking for something, and I'm always kind of thinking that change is going to happen, but I'm not exactly sure what opportunities I'm looking for. But I know I want something different to happen. I'm coming to the end of the semester, and I'm just teaching one class next semester, and I want to figure out like how to get like more clients, and I want to get more just like different stuff. So I'm kind of like looking for ideas too. So that's what I want to hear from you. So that's what I got. I know the question or my answer is kind of vague, but that's what I got. So now it's your turn. Comment below and come be part of this judgment-free conversation. And hey, while you're here, subscribe. Come hang out with us. This is kind of a cool place to be. And invite a friend, because the more people that are part of this conversation, the sooner we can change the world. Thanks.